I'm James Neville Taylor with the Builderall team. In this video, we're going to go over the importance of building your own email list. And building your own email list when you're an affiliate marketer is one of the most important things you can do. Despite what a lot of people say, email marketing is still one of the most powerful methods to communicate and sell products online. Email lists are a valuable asset that you can contact again and again. And it's important to build up a know, like and trust factor with your subscribers, because people don't buy from just anyone. They have to know you, then like you, and then eventually trust you. And that's how you're going to get the majority of your conversions. You will get conversions if you just send out blanket emails with product after product after product, but nowhere near as much conversions as if you were to build a solid relationship with your subscribers. An email list is traffic that you own instead of traffic you have to buy. And what I mean by that is traffic on Facebook, on Google AdWords, on other mediums. You have to buy that traffic again and again. You're paying for so many clicks. Now, initially, you'll buy traffic to build your email list, but once they're on your list, you don't have to pay for that traffic anymore. You can send out an email broadcast to them anytime you like, and you've got a traffic source that you actually own. That's really powerful. One of the best things about email marketing as an affiliate is that it can be very automated. It can take a while to set up initially, but once it's set up, you can have 100, 200, even 1,000 part email sequence going out day after day for years. Some of the top marketers have literally 2-year-long email sequences where they sell multiple products in that time. There's lots of ways you can improve your conversion rates on emails and build up more of a trust factor with your subscribers. And it's important for you to know that it's very rare for someone to buy on the first exposure to a product. On average, it takes at least 7 times for someone to actually buy into a product. If you're not hitting people up at least 7 times about your product, you're leaving a lot of money on the table. Here we have a diagram of 4 different email sequences for 4 different products. So you remember when I said someone has to be exposed to a product at least 7 times before they buy, so we've got 7 emails for each product here. And product 1, let's say that's Builderall. If someone gets sent out these emails one by one and they buy Builderall on, say, email 3 or email 4, do we want to send them out the remaining emails? Of course not. It wouldn't make any sense to keep marketing to someone who's already bought. With the power of automation in emails, you can actually stop this email sequence on the email that they buy and then start for product 2. And the same for product 2. If they buy on email 4 or 5, it will stop on email 4 or 5 and go to product 3, and the same for product 4. Now, I wouldn't recommend sending subscribers from product to product to product, because like I said before, you need to build that know, like and trust factor. And if you're constantly sending out promotional emails, then it's not going to build much trust. It's just going to look like you're selling. On product 1, if they buy Builderall, I would send out a 7 to 10 day warm-up sequence and indoctrination sequence on Builderall. For example, how to use the tools, welcome, do you need any help, here's where you can get videos, here's where you can get support, etc, etc. After the 10 days warm up on Builderall, then you could switch them to the product 2 promotion. And then if and when they buy product 2, you can start them with another 7 to 10 day indoctrination sequence for that product. Or if they didn't buy at the end of the 7 or 10 day follow-up sequence that you've got for that product, you could have a different sequence providing some other form of value. Because if you're promoting product after product after product, you're just going to drain your list dry. You're going to see a lot more unsubscribes. It's not always about promoting. It's about building that relationship and providing that value for your subscribers. The fastest and easiest way to start building your list so you can promote affiliate offers is to offer something of value to them. We call this a lead magnet. There's lots of different types of lead magnets that you can offer. You can create your own lead magnets, or you can use other people's already made lead magnets. We're going to jump on Chrome now, and I'm going to show you where you can get some of these lead magnets and the best way to use them to build your list. Here we are on one of the biggest PLR websites out there. It's idplr.com. As you can see, it has thousands of ebooks, thousands of videos, thousands of all sorts of stuff that you can either use yourself, claim authorship of, give away, or sell. There's absolutely tons of stuff that you can use on here to build your email list. You can get access to all of this for just a simple one-time payment, so you pay once and then you have access to all of the PLR content on this website. But not everything has PLR rights. Some things have different kinds of rights. So if we come up here, you can see the different kind of rights which you have. Resale rights is the ability to resell the product. Master resale rights is the ability to resell and sell the rights to resell. Private label rights can vary greatly from license to license, but private label rights usually means that you have the rights to do pretty much anything. You can claim authorship, you can give it away, you can edit it, you can do almost anything you want with it, but you'll have to check the individual licenses to see what that license actually gives you. Giveaway rights is just as it sounds, it gives you the ability to give away, good for lead magnets. And personal rights are just your own personal rights, so just you can use it yourself. Let's scroll down here and have a look at some of the products. Let's click on Laser Focus Secrets and see what rights that has. So you can see here the product terms and it tells you exactly what you can do. So it's private label rights and it's pretty much yes to everything except it can't be given away for free, it can't be added to free membership websites, and you can't convey and sell private label rights. As you can see here, it says it can be used to build a list, so it can be given away in exchange for an email, but it can't be given away for nothing, just given away for free. Another great website you can use for PLR products is plrebook.com. And as you can see, they have almost 22,000 digital products that you can use, so there's plenty to choose from. There's no shortage of PLR products out there. One main problem with PLR products is that it can become saturated. If everyone uses PLR products, then it loses value, which is why I prefer to create my own products. But if you want something fast, then PLR products are definitely the way to go. But I prefer to create my own lead magnets, and I'll show you why. So this is one of my websites with one of my own personal lead magnets that I created. There's three main reasons that I like creating my own lead magnets. And the first one I already shared with you is that they're original, it's not saturated with possibly tens of thousands of other affiliates offering exactly the same thing. I know that I created it and I know that I am one of, if not the only person promoting this unique piece of content. The second reason is because I can brand myself. If I offer a lead magnet of a course or where I'm talking on video, I'm branding myself, I'm building authority in my space, so that's another big reason why I like creating my own lead magnets. Third and finally, and this is not always going to be the case with every single lead magnet that you create, but two of the top ones that I created, the Ultimate Recurring Affiliate Programs list, and another one, the Ultimate Tools list that every entrepreneur needs, I include my affiliate links in the lead magnets themselves. The Ultimate Recurring Affiliate Programs list has my affiliate links for the affiliate products. For some of the products in the Ultimate Tools Guide list, I put my affiliate link in there. So not only are you building your list so you can promote affiliate programs to people, you're also having your affiliate links in the lead magnets themselves, which can result in some sales straight away up front. It's not a good idea to just throw your link out there wherever you can willy-nilly. You've got to provide value first, and that's what I do with these lead magnets, is I provide value for affiliates wanting to search for affiliate programs, for entrepreneurs searching for tools. As long as you provide the value first, then you can put your affiliate links in these lead magnets. It's important when you're building your email list that you have double opt-in turned on, and I'll show you why. If someone wants to get my lead magnet that I'm offering, they need to put in their name and their email, and then they click Access Now. Now that's going to redirect them to a page which tells them to check their email and confirm their subscription to get access to the lead magnet. If I'd have just redirected them to the page for them to download their lead magnet, they might have entered a bogus email on the page before. They could have entered anything. There's no way of knowing whether it was a real email or not. Using double opt-in, the user has to confirm their email first before they get access to the lead magnet. That means you're going to have much higher quality list because people need to put in a real email before they get the valuable lead magnet that you're offering. In this video, we went over the importance of building your own email list.